Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make camera creations on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the create button down below, which is the second option. Then scroll down to camera creations and click on the create button. Here you can direct your phone to the object that you would like to capture, and that's the subject of your camera creation. As you can see, camera needs to be or you need to allow the app to have access to your camera to use it. Then if you have directed your phone to the object you want to capture, click on the white button down below to take photo. But as you go back, you also have the chance to select the shapes on this slide. You can set the type, the material can be selected as well, the colors, the looks, here you can see them. And click on the check mark icon, and here you can set the adjustments, and when you are done, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the save button to save it to your library. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.